welcome back to my channel, Sophisticated with Magman. Well, today I'm very excited. I'm always excited, you guys, like when I talk about jewelry and all that stuff, but today more because I received a package today. Right here, nice and Bella package. As you can see, it's not open, so I'm excited to open it with you guys. That way you can see what we have in here. I totally forget what I order, so I'm just excited to remember as soon as I see them. Oh, I ordered these, you know, so I'm very, very excited. And as you can see, I'm not wearing any jewelry because I want to be able to kind of show you what that would look like on. I only ordered studs and long earrings and all that. I didn't want to order a lot of stuff. It's too overwhelming when I receive a lot of jewelry sometimes. So I'm just gonna show you what I have right now. Hola a todos, bienvenidos a mi canal Sophisticated with Magman. Bueno, hoy más que otros días cuando hago videos estoy muy emocionada porque me llegó paquetería de Nice and Bella. Y como ven, no está abierta porque quiero abrir la caja con ustedes para que vean lo que contiene la caja. Hay veces que hasta a mí se me olvida lo que ordeno y cuando veo digo, wow, ordené eso. Y bueno, esta vez nada más ordené aretes y como ven no estoy usando joyería ahorita porque quiero acercar los aretitos a la oreja para que vean el estilo y más en vivo vean el estilo de los aretes. Y bueno, sigan viendo porque vamos a abrir la caja juntos. Como ven, siempre llega en plástico para cuidar la joyería prácticamente. Vamos a ver lo que hay aquí. Como siempre, bolsitas para la joyería. La cuiden para que la guarden más fácil o como gusten. A veces son las bolsitas para la joyería, como siempre. Alright guys, so this is the jewelry right now. What is this? Bonus. I guess this is information for me, but let's see. Siempre va a haber cositas así, anuncios de la empresa y cualquier cosita. Sí, vamos a ver. Miren, estas hermosuras. Look at these studs, guys. They were always kind of well packaged. Look at these pearls. I love these ones. Little ones. These are my favorite. These ones right here. These ones. Studs. Gold. And more. We'll open them up and you will see a better picture. These ones I haven't opened, but let's see. Pearls. And yes. So let's see how these babies look on me. Vamos a ver cómo se ven puestas. Bueno, no me los voy a poner, nada más se los voy a acercar a la oreja para que vean cómo se ven. Alright guys, so we just opened the box as you saw, and I'm just like excited guys because it's just really pretty jewelry guys. I don't even want to tell you, but anyway, I mean I want to tell you, but I don't want to go too much into depth with how I feel about it. Anyway, so these are the ones that were a little bit covered, so I'm going to show you what these look like. So they come in really, like, they actually do take care of the packaging and everything. So, siempre van a llegar bien cuidaditas la joyería, o sea, bien cuidadas para que no les pase nada en el transcurso de cuando lleguen a su destino. Y estas creo que son mate, oro mate y luego oro brilloso abajo. Miren. So these are matte on the top, like as you can see, and then like shiny gold on the ring area here. So this is how they look on like now. These are like really pretty. I like these ones. So sort of that. So I'm gonna put them back in their baggie because then I'll forget which one's to which. Although it'll be easy because I can just look back in the catalog, but I'd rather not just mix it all up. Alright, let's see next. Esos son los que quería ver en persona, que estaba como que eso sí los quiero ver, estos. Así. Super bonitos. I love these guys. These are really pretty. Oh my gosh. Dying. These are so pretty. Look at these. These with your hair up or ponytail. These I'm gonna like wear like mismatch the earring. Maybe wear a little one here and then this. Look at them. Sorry about the lighting, guys. Let me turn out my lighting here. Look at these babies. All right, next, bring it on, Denise. Bring it on. Let's see. The pearls. These are the ones that I've been waiting for. So let's see how these look. These are clip-ons, so I'm not too worried about these. But look at that with the pearls here that I have on. Has like little like diamonds in here where they're like nice stone or Swarovski. Get them. And like I said, guys, all pearls are covered in pearl powder. I'm gonna leave this on the side because I need to sanitize these because they touched my ear. Always sanitize your stuff, guys. Always. Next earrings are these ones. Are smaller ones, but I'm gonna they're like a daisy. I think it's like a daisy. Pearls around it. Really cute too. Like these, but in bigger size. And then these are the medium, and then there's smaller ones too. I was kind of wondering about. These are red. Red stone. You know, with the real lipstick and everything else. Look at these. Pero vamos a ver cómo se me ven pues. I think they're perfect size. Not so big, not so small either. And I'm gonna put them on the side para limpiarlos. Okay. Always sanitize everything, guys. These are different ones, but they're blue. They're like navy blue. They're actually bigger size. See the difference? Next are these ones. These go like that, I believe. I'm gonna put them on. So these ones go in like, look guys. Really pretty, guys. This is diamond eyes. It's like it's not glued or anything. You can actually see the diamond all the way. Really, really pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed all this jewelry I've had here. Espero que les haya gustado, chicos y chicas, la joyería. También siempre se me olvida decirles que también hay para hombre, y próximamente también voy a tener para hombre, para que vean que también lo de hombre está muy bonito también. Y bueno, espero que les haya gustado el video. Y por favor comenten, díganme si les gustó la joyería, si la comprarían o no la comprarían. La verdad, todo está lindo. Creo que el próximo video los voy a tener que ponérmelos para que vean cómo se ven puesto con diferentes outfits. So I keep forgetting to mention, guys, that I also have jewelry for men, and the men jewelry is really, really pretty as well. It's really nice, or really cool in this case. So I'm gonna have to have some of the men jewelry next time as well, so that you can have a better picture of what that looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and so yeah, stay tuned to more content. I've mixed it in with other stuff I want to show you and share with you guys. So please stay tuned to more videos, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. That way the little bell can let you know that I already uploaded a video. Like, comment, share, whatever you have to do. Por favor comenten, suscríbanse a mi canal para que la campanita les avise cuando suba mi próximo video. Voy a estar teniendo diferente contenido próximamente. Voy a estar variando con más cositas que quiero compartir con ustedes también. So please guys, take care. Have a great weekend, guys, and stay safe.